Hello there. I'm going to do another blow dryer swipe today, again using my pouring medium with silicone added to it. This time I've only got it in two of the colours, black and phthalo blue. And the other two colours I'm using are metallic light blue, or cobalt, metallic cobalt, and metallic teal. So I'm going to put those colours down onto my signboard, which I've also already coated with my Jazz Art Byron White. And I'll get started now. Wow, just loving the colours again. I just love the colours, just fabulous. And now I'm going to go looking for cells with my torch to see what I can find. Just the tiny ones, because my pouring medium was what had silicone added to it, and as I said, two colours of the four had the silicone added to them. Oh, so pretty. I'm just loving it. I do really love the blow dryer swipe technique. I also love the Dutch pour, but with the Dutch pour, putting the pillow paint down gives a completely different reaction to just doing a swipe with the dryer. Well, I turned the camera off for a little while and went and did a couple of things, and I've come back and then given it another torch to bring up some more of the cells, and it's like they are breaking out. It's hard to describe. The more I look at this, the more I see all the pretty things in it. One thing that I must say I do really like is the black cells, where the black has actually come through colour to make those cells, of which I've got patches of them there and over here and in amongst the colours there. So now I will bring it up closer to the camera for you to look at, so you can see what I'm talking about. There's some black cells over there, and all the little white ones, all the tiny ones you get from mixing the silicone thoroughly into the pouring medium. And the black cells there. There's lots of white ones. There aren't that many coloured cells, but there are a few over here on the side. And then, of course, the middle, which is that beautiful streak of the teal through the black with hints of blue. And I am so happy with that. When it's dry, I will peel it off the signboard to make it into a skin that I will probably use for wrapping a gift for someone, because the colours are just so pretty. I hope they dry this bright. I often find phthalo blue dries slightly differently. So that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.